Practice cutting, threading of different sizes of conduits and laying installations part 2.
Hello, this is Charumati. In the previous video, we learned about metal conduits and the process of cutting and threading using heavy gauge and creating necessary layouts. Draw and fix boxes in the metallic conduit pipes. In this part, we gather better knowledge on how to do the surface installation in accordance with the BIS recommendations. At the end of this exercise, you will learn to fix the conduit with the necessary clamps and spacers on surface installation in accordance with the BIS recommendation. Then how to draw cables in the metallic conduit pipes and bond the conduit pipes at joints and junctions. And how to earth the metal conduit as per BIS recommendations. Also, how to prepare metal boxes and fix power accessories and terminate the cable ends at the accessories according to the wiring diagram. In our part 1 video, we learned how to cut and thread a metal conduit pipe as per the required lengths and dimensions. Now, in this part 2 video, let us continue the exercise. Here, we will learn the installation and wire up in metal conduit for the lighting circuit for Godown.
Finally, we will finish with task 3, that is installation and wire up in metal conduit in the lighting circuit for Godown. Develop the circuit with the required wiring accessories on the workbench. Mark the layout on IPC as per the layout. Measure the length of the conduit pipes required for each run as per the layout. Take into consideration the length of accessories to be used in various places along with the conduit threads while taking conduit measurements. Cut the length of the conduit as per markings and remove the burrs. Cut threads in the pipes and remove the burrs. Prepare the TW spacers with through holes for fixing on the IPC and pilot holes to fix the saddles. Fix the saddles as per the layout. Fix the conduit pipe and conduit accessories as per the layout by means of saddles. Knock out the holes in the square or hexagonal metal boxes for conduit pipe terminations. Measure and cut the cables as per the cable route given in the wiring diagram. Make an allowance in cable lengths for terminations. Provide bushes in the conduit ends. Insert the given fish wire in the pipe run for drawing cables. Drawing of cables should be done stage by stage, taking each run one by one and consolidating the number of cables in each run. Skin the cables and mark each cable legibly at both ends. Group the cables as per cable route and cable runs and fasten them to the fish wire. Check the continuity of cables before fastening the cables to the fish wire. Pull the cables by means of the fish wire and, at the same time, push the cables from the other end. For long conduit runs, it is better the drawing of the cables is done in stages, firstly from one end to the inspection type accessory, and then from the inspection type accessories to be used in the junction areas. You might require a helper while drawing cables. There should not be any kink or twist in the cables while drawing the cables through the conduit pipe. Prepare top covers of the square metal boxes for fixing the accessories by drilling through holes for cable entry and accessory fixing. Fix the sealing roses on the one-way junction boxes. Note that the sealing roses can be fitted directly on the one-way junction boxes using the machine screws provided for fixing the cover. Prepare the cable ends and terminate them in the accessories. Fix the accessories with machine screws. Close the top covers of the metal boxes. Close the inspection windows of the inspection type accessories. Run the given earth wire along the conduit pipe by means of earth clamps and terminate at the junction boxes and metal boxes. It is necessary to follow the looping system to avoid joints in the earth wire runs. As an alternate to the looping method, the bonding system could be used. Wherever accessories are used, Bonding by earth clamps and earth wire is recommended. Remove the paint on the surface of the conduit, the copper wire, and the clamps before fixing. Prepare the pendant holders and connect the cables to the ceiling roses. Fix the bulbs. A completed installation will look like this. Connect the supply and test the wiring.
So, by the end of this exercise, we have learned how to cut metal conduit pipes of heavy gauge to the required dimensions and how to fasten the conduit pipe in the pipe vise and prepare the conduit ends for threading and to threads on heavy gauge metal conduit according to the requirements using a conduit die set. Also, how to fix the conduit accessories to the pipes according to the pipe size using the threaded method. Thank you all and see you in the next video.